Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do your daily tasks on GMP. So guys, before we proceed, I'm by name Legit Update. I bring you legit update from anywhere around the world. From anywhere you can join, you can meet me on YouTube or on TikTok with the same name, Legit Update 11. Yeah, let's dive into our tutorial. So this is our GMP, guys. Will come in like this. When we come inside, just let it load. So guys, before we continue, before we proceed, so I'm going to log in. Before we proceed, guys, make sure I'm changing my country code. I'm changing my country because I'm from Nigeria. Guys, before we proceed, a word of warning for you guys. We are just here to collect the free money and go our way. See this recharge, like don't even mistakenly your finger to go there in talk less of you depositing on this platform. If you deposit your money on this platform, people run away. These people run away with your money. Legit update will not be whole responsible. I say what? Legit update will not be whole responsible. We are just here for the free money they are giving us. If we get the free money, we go our way, because this money, if you are serious in it, you will make a lot of money in this platform. One thing about this platform is that they are newly launched. If something is newly launching like this, it's legit. Like what I mean, like it's legit. When the thing old, their money start finishing, that's where you will be seeing them doing some kind of this and that. So but like now everything is working normally. Okay guys, so now I am going to continue with what we are doing. Don't forget, press the notification button, subscribe, share the video. I'm going to drop the link in my video description so that you will get the link there. Mind you, do not deposit anything. No contact say legit update no gree tell una. I don't tell una. Oh yeah, let's go. You see this hell, click on it. Okay, you see do tax, click on it. You see accept. You see every tax has $3. Imagine completing $5 in a day. That's how much. Imagine completing $5 in a day. That's how much. Just calculate, guys. Calculate. I mean, like $5, five tax in a day into $3. Calculate. That's $15 in a day, guys. $15 in a day. It's not a small money. Just calculating it, when you do this tax in 10 days, like just calculate it for 10 days, that's how much. That's huge, a lot of money, most especially if you are in Nigeria. Yeah, because dollar is expensive in naira now. Okay, click on this, accept. Okay, read the instruction, open this link, open this tax link, watch the video for more than 10 seconds, then like the tax video, take a screenshot and upload it in the platform submission. So guys, you see this open, you click on this open link, it will take you to YouTube. When you watch the video finish and like the video, so that's where you will screenshot it, but make sure your video reach 10 seconds before you do like. Okay guys, let's go. Let's watch for 10 seconds. Only 10, no need of you leaving it to finish. Only 10 seconds video. No need of you leaving it to finish, guys. I'm just giving you this update, guys. No need of it to finish. Only 10 seconds is enough. No need of you using TikTok guys. Okay, as you can see, it's done. We are going back to our GMP. We are coming back to our GMP now. Okay, screenshot has saved. Coming back to our GMP. So guys, I will leave the description link, the video link in the video description. So you see this plus or block screenshot, you click on it. When you click on it, as you can see, this is our screenshot. I marked it, then place done. After that, you see success. Make sure it's open like this before you submit. Make sure you see something like this. You are seeing the picture all before, then submit. So after you submit, you just leave it for some times. When you just leave it for some times, you can, it will go there by itself. Guys, people are cashing out in this platform like see, just as an, just check a look at this place, how people are cashing out. See how people are doing their tax earning, how people are earning. This one $35 today, this one $27 today, this one $21 today, this one $16. Guys, just check, and as an just check, like those that are just earning this $14 downward, they are the ones that are not completing the full tax. But if you complete the full tax when you are in level 0, you are starting from $15 upward. Yeah, from $15, because 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So okay guys, as you all know, I'll drop the link in the description of the video. If you are interested, you can register on it. Please kindly do well to subscribe, share the video for your friend.